Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Decorate With Me Fall Edition video and I wanted to show you guys some of the new things that I picked up from Hobby Lobby and Kirkland's. So I am going to be using some of my old fall decor just because I always kind of keep it neutral. I don't really use a lot of your typical fall colors like the oranges and stuff like that. So I wanted to show you guys what my house ends up looking like, and let's go ahead and get started with the video. And I also had to pick up my pumpkin spice latte because it wouldn't be a fall video if I didn't have my fall drink. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. So I went into Bath and Body Works and I had to get some fall candles because I just love my house smelling very like cozy. And first one I'm going to show you is this one. It's called Fresh Fall Morning. This one smells so good. Ooh, another film. I'm really not good at explaining these scents, but basically it kind of smells like apple. I always get the apple scents during the fall time because having like those pumpkin and caramel and all those other scents kind of gives me a headache. They're really strong, so I always choose like these apple scented candles. So I got this one, and then I got two of these Lakeside Morning. So this one kind of smells like a cologne with a hint of green apple. So like I said, I'm going to be burning a lot of apple stuff because I can't with those pumpkin smells. This one was also one of my favorite ones. I like the packaging, it's really cute, and it's called Apple Weather. So of course it smells like apples and it has a little bit of that cinnamon smell, just like a hint of it. So this one's perfect. It's not gonna make my head hurt. And I just got those 4 candles, and I also got a free item. I got this really cute plug for my wallflowers, and it's just a pumpkin with like that marble look. So this is definitely gonna fit in right in with my home decor, and it lights up as well. Next, oh my god, I got these really beautiful leaves, but I got 3 of them. They were kind of pricey. They were like $20 per grass. So I just got 3, but they were having a 25% off, and I'm just gonna find a really nice base and put all 3 of them together, and this is gonna look really nice. And I love that these don't make like a mess. I know I have seen some other girls who say that this sheds a lot, but these are perfect. I really like them, and they also had them in gray. And I also got this pumpkin spice everything mug. It's really cute. This one was $6.99 and I got it for 25% off. So yeah, I love the inside of it. It's like this orange color, and then outside is just white. It's super cute. Next up is at home, and I just got 2 things from here. I got this sign that you can just hang on a wall or outside of your door, and it just says Fall Love. I love how simple it is. It's just wood. It's really cute. So this one was $12.99. I found this gorgeous pumpkin. It just looks so like girly and elegant. This one was $14.99 and I just got one of them. I'm probably gonna put it like, I don't know, in my living room. And that was everything for at home. I kept going to Target to see if they had any of the new stuff at like the bullseye section, and I never found anything. This little sign was the only thing that I found. It says fall is my favorite, and this was $3. I don't know if I went a little bit too late, but like it's just the beginning of September, so like I don't know what was going on. But yeah, this is the only thing that I got from Target. I went to the Christmas tree shop. I found this really nice basket. It says hand-picked farmers fresh pumpkins, and I am not sure what I'm going to use this for yet. Maybe put in some pumpkins in here, and I don't know what else, but I think this is going to go outside. And this one was $15.99. On to Hobby Lobby. This was like the store that I picked up most of the things from. They have a bunch of decor. I got 2 of these pillows. It just says thankful, and it has like this checkerboard print, and it's white and gray. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using: the gray, the white, and like this tan color. And these were $27.99, and then they had a 40% off. So you do the math, I don't know. So yeah, I got 2 of these. I'm probably gonna go back and get some more because I have 2 living room areas that I need to fill up. So yeah, got these. Then I got these 2 little fuzzy pumpkins that I got for my bedroom. I just really liked the material. It kind of goes with the pillows that I have in my bedroom. So I got those. And then I also got this pretty gray and gold pumpkin. I wanted to get smaller pumpkins for the kitchen. So I got this one, and this one was $4.99 and 40% off of that. And then I got these wooden leaves. These are so cute. These were $4.99 again, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these, but I just thought they were really cute, so I had to get them. And that is all of the new stuff that I got for fall decor. So now let's go ahead and jump on to decorating.